Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we are diving into the world of AI-powered speech synthesis with a comparison between Murf AI and ElevenLabs. If you're looking for software that offers wide range of language options for your speech synthesis needs, you are in the right place. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to explore both platforms further. Murf AI is a cutting-edge platform that offers advanced speech synthesis capabilities with a focus on versatility and customization. It provides users with an extensive selection of language options, allowing them to generate voiceovers in multiple languages to cater to diverse audiences worldwide. With Murf AI, users have access to diverse range of voices in different languages, including accents and dialects, ensuring that they can find the perfect voice for their project. Murf AI offers users a high level of customization options, allowing them to adjust parameters such as pitch, speed, and speaking style to create voiceovers that suit their specific requirements. One standout feature of Murf AI is the ability to add pauses at specific points in the voiceover, giving users greater control over the pacing and flow of their content. Murf AI also allows users to add background music to their voiceovers, further enhancing the quality and impact of their audio content. ElevenLabs is another contender in the speech synthesis arena, offering user access to range of voices and languages for their projects. While ElevenLabs does offer language options for speech synthesis, its selection may be more limited compared to Murf AI. Users may find that certain languages or dialects are not available on the platform. ElevenLabs provides users with variety of voices to choose from, allowing them to find the right voice for their project. However, the range of voices may be narrower compared to Murf AI. While ElevenLabs does offer some customization options for speech synthesis, such as adjusting pitch and speed, users may find that they have less control over finer details compared to Murf AI. ElevenLabs prides itself on its user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to create voiceover quickly and efficiently. ElevenLabs seamlessly integrates with a variety of platforms and tools, allowing users to incorporate their voiceovers into their project with ease. When it comes to language options, Murf AI takes the lead with its extensive selection of language and dialects. Users can access a wide range of voices in different languages, giving them the flexibility to create voiceovers for diverse audiences worldwide. While ElevenLabs offers language options for speech synthesis, user may find that the selection is more limited compared to Murf AI. If you're looking for a platform with robust language options and customization features, Murf AI is the clear choice. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.